Hi everyone, my name is Sean. I'm based in Singapore. I just wanted to quickly do a video testimonial for Matt Lloyd's License Rights Program. Now, I've been marketing online for several years now, and I'm always very careful about who I choose or what I choose to promote because there's not a lot of very good quality products out there. And I've personally bought some of Matt's products and I've gone through them and I know the quality of his products. That's why I'm confident to promote them. So when I realized that he had a license rights program, it was a no-brainer for me for two main reasons. The first reason is because we get up to 90% commissions for all the upfront products. And reason number two is we also get commissions for subsequent sales, not just from the first sale. So that saves me a lot of time. And another thing that I really do like about it is after you sign up as a licensee, once you log in, Matt actually goes through a whole series of training where he teaches you where to get the best sources of traffic. So it made a lot of sense to me because it saves me a lot of time. All I needed to do was really just to send traffic to my landing pages, and Matt's landing pages does a very, very good job of converting those traffic into sales. And I understand that he even has a phone team, to call our prospects for us to help us close the sales. So so much so that I was even able to generate about $2,198.50 within a single day. So if you yourself you're keen to do some affiliate marketing and really want to make some money online, I think the license right program is really the way to go, and I definitely recommend that you go ahead and get it. Okay, so yeah, I look forward to connect more with you guys and make some money together online. Thanks, peace out.